Hello, Auto Assets here. Just giving you a walk around this Honda VFR800. As you can see, it comes with the panniers and the tank bag, which you can also wire in for power as well if you need to. We'll go around the bike. I'll point out any flaws on the bike and let you hear it started up as well. So down here we do have these that have been added on by a previous owner at some point. Alloy's looking good. Brake pads and discs are good as well. Tyres are pretty much brand new. You might be able to see the wee knobbly bits there. And again round the other side, dual brakes, which is always good. And I've got the mirrored version of these on this side here as well. Got an adjustable screen, just to give you a little bit of extra wind protection. Really easy to amend. Down this side here there's a few scuffs which have been picked up, you can see here, but generally the bike's in okay condition. There's a little mark there, and it might be, well, it looks quite poignant in the video, but there is a slight dent here, which if I'm honest looks really bad in the video, but it's not actually terrible in person, but it is there. You've got a GV tank bag, which has also got the option of power. The cable's inside. You've got a phone holder here as well. You've got a little voltmeter, so you get two normal USBs and USB-Cs, and a gear indicator there as well. Round here you've got the panniers. You've got the pillion cover, the coil cover, that can just be removed if you need to put somebody on. Pegs are all there. Upgraded exhaust, and I'll jump around the other side here. So twin exhaust as well, so quite a nice sound that comes off it. You've got a Scott oiler underneath the seat, so keeps the chain looking good. Centre stand as well. No rips and tears in the seat. And again underneath I'll just flag up this little scuff there. Oh, see, there we go, just there, and just here as well. But overall, given the age of the bike, it's pretty good condition. Let me get it started up and you can hear how she sounds. Let's start her up. I'm just going to give the bike a few minutes just to get it warm up. Whilst do that, I'll just confirm everything's working on it as it should. So we'll start with the indicators here. You may already be able to hear how good that exhaust is. See the indicators in the front. We've also got them wired into the mirrors, so not only going down here, we've got them up here as well. You've got your standard running light here, building there as well. Nice sunny days, it's quite hard to see, but it is there. Horn works, sounds like it's been upgraded as well. And I'll give it a few revs so you can hear how she sounds. There we are. Any questions you've got about the bike, please let me know. Cheers.